Hi, my name is Susan, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Mitolyn before you actually buy it, the pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Mitolyn is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Mitolyn is only sold on the official website. Due to the high demand, many people are getting fake versions of Mitolyn without even realizing it. That can seriously harm your health, waste your money, and keep you from getting the results you're looking for. So always double check that you're buying from the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Mytolyn and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Mytolyn has helped thousands of users, and it will work for you too. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with powerful ingredients like maqui berry, rhodiola, hematococcus, amla, theobroma cacao, schisandra, and more. These components work together to target the real root cause of slow metabolism, low mitochondria levels, and help reactivate the fat-burning engines inside your cells. Whether you're dealing with stubborn belly fat, low energy, or brain fog, Mitolyn helps boost mitochondrial health, which is essential for fat burning, energy production, and overall cellular vitality. If you've been struggling to lose weight, stay focused, or feel energized throughout the day, Mitolyn was designed exactly for that. No more relying on harsh stimulants or restrictive diets. This is a natural solution that works at the cellular level. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Mitolyn, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Mitolyn for 90 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Mitolyn to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Mitolyn has no side effects since it is natural. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Mitolyn from, and remember I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the treatment exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I also hope that Mitolyn actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of people around the world.